Hey, hi Miguel, it's me, your dad. Anyways, I just wanted to show you my new helicopter. This is called the MCPX. It's a collective pitch helicopter, and I have it working with my transmitter from the new 450. So you can see how it works here. See that, how it works here? Okay, different directions. See? Really cool, eh? See how the collective pitch works? You can see the swash plate there. Isn't that cool? You should see this thing fly. Is it ever amazing when it flies? It does flips and everything. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, we're going to start it up now here, just so we'll hopefully see. See, we're going to see. Pretty cool, eh? Look at that. Isn't that cool? Hmm? See, turning it to this way. Turning it this way. Cool, eh? And now we're going to adjust the pitch on it, see? Can you see that, how it works? Forward. This thing works just like a little bumblebee. You should see it fly. Well, I'll show you how it flies later on, okay? Just warm her up here. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, there you go. That's the end of learning how to fly. Check that out.